6 tips to crack any exam. Tip number 1. Self-quizzing. One of the best ways to prepare for an exam is by testing yourself. Try to create questions on the topic you're studying and answer them as if you're taking an actual test. This will help you to identify your strengths and weaknesses and focus on areas that need improvement. Tip number 2. Divide and rule. Breaking down your study material into smaller sections can make it easier to manage. You can divide the material into topics and then assign a specific time period to each one. This way, you'll be able to cover all the topic in a timely manner without feeling overwhelmed. Tip number 3. Deep work versus pseudo work. It's important to distinguish between deep work and pseudo work. Deep work is the kind of work that requires your full attention and focus, while pseudo work is just going through the motions without really engaging your brain. For example, reading your textbook while scrolling through your phone is pseudo work. Instead, try to eliminate all distractions and engage in deep work, which will help you retain information more effectively. Tip number 4. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking divides your attention, and you end up not doing anything well. For instance, you can't effectively study while watching TV or scrolling through your phone. Instead, focus on one task at a time, and you'll see better results. Tip number 5. Monastic approach. Monastic approach involves dedicating a specific time and space to your studies. This means creating a quiet and distraction-free environment and studying at the same time every day. This can help you establish a routine and make studying a habit. For example, you could set aside an hour every morning before breakfast to study. Tip number 6. Rhythmic approach. The rhythmic approach involves studying for short periods of time, followed by short breaks. This can help prevent burnout and keep you motivated. For example, you could study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, and repeat this cycle for a few hours.